Hello, welcome to this data science demo. I welcome all of you for this data science demo. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shivkumar Matkawala, and I'm carrying around 8 plus years experience in IT. So I worked upon different positions in the data science. So I've been in last 4 years in this teaching field also. So you can say I do carry knowledge about different technologies like Python full stack, different clouds like Azure, GCP, AWS, as well as data science related things, and VMware, Linux is all things. So over the years, this whatever they and the problems which I faced while learning to remove them from the comments. That can I take this course? Can I, after even taking up this course, can I do this course? My abilities will match to this course. What are the things which I have to learn in this course? A lot of questions after this course. Will I get a good job in IT? What would be salaries? What companies do hire for data scientists? What are the opportunities for data scientists in India? What are the opportunities for data scientists out of the country? What are their average salaries? How many things we have to learn? So many questions will be right now in your mind. Few of you may be coming from computer science background. Few of you may be coming from like another department of engineering, and few of you may be from completely non-IT background. Okay, done some graduations. So we'll be answering all these questions thoroughly, slowly, so you all will understand them and come to the conclusion whether you can take this course or not. I will explain all the pros and cons, all the advantages and disadvantages. So be with me for next an hour. This session might be little longer, but it will clarify your all the doubts and it will give you a vision. It will give you a complete clear thought that what course to take and how you can make your career into IT, how can you get your dream job in IT, everything which suits for realistic world. Okay, not completely like you can say that a dream thing. Okay, so we have to be in a real world and think about the our capabilities, our passion, and the technology and the weightage of that technology. So the first question in your mind that can I take this course? So I will tell you without even asking to you like what background you are, like what qualification you have done, and how good you are like in particular something. I believe, and even that is the data science. You can say in data science we say that everyone, no matter from what corner of technology you are, no matter what corner of like a field you are, what you have done in your life, but if you have a like graduation, proper graduation from BCom background, arts background, science background, engineer background, medical background, all are welcome in data science. And there is a concrete reason for that. See, a lot of people they might think that only computer science people can become a data scientist, but that is not the case. Because computer scientists are good in the computer things, but they are not good in the particular business. Understanding humans that why we need people from different arenas, from different domains here in the data science. So I can say yes, okay, any graduate, any graduate. If you don't have a graduation, please do first complete your graduation and then think about this course. If you are passionate to learn the things, if you are passionate for technology, if you want to, like, you are in future, you are going to take, you are going to become a data scientist, like that, any dream you are carrying, then definitely you are most welcome for this course. Any graduate, okay, no matter that what graduation it is, IT as well as non-IT, both are welcome. Okay, but yes, you can do this. But there is another one thing. If you guys really don't like mathematics at all, okay, this field is not for you then. If you hate like even a simple mathematics, you like just there is no mathematics. See, in this course, a lot of things, everything will be done by machines. But you have to understand, okay, what logic we are applying, okay, and even you are not welcomed in a IT field only. If you are like you hate that much of mathematics, then this field isn't for you. I will be saying this honestly, so you will have no further questions in your mind whether this course I can take or can I take any other course. No, this course is not for a person if that person has even a small mathematics, simple arithmetics. Okay, so this is the thing. Next one, it doesn't matter you have like worked on computer before or not. Okay, this is the first time. A lot of people they do have question in that part. Sir, I never worked on computers. I don't know. Even I can't type also. That's good, buddy. Okay. In coming few days, after a few months of practice, you will be good in printing, good in typing, good in everything. Okay. That's not the big case. The big case is what? Okay, just randomly, you're talking about data science. Just few people said to your friends, okay, your colleagues or your relatives, and the data scientist has very good career, and you're taking it. Please don't take it. First, understand what is data scientist and how can you make a career. Whether this data science requirements do align with your passion or not, and then only only requirement is you have to be a graduate. Doesn't deeper into the IT. I want to talk a little bit about like data science and all. Just little bit talk about IT. Going to come to this field, okay? You may have done your graduation in agriculture. You may have done graduation in commerce, maybe, or arts. So let's talk a little bit about IT. So guys, randomly, as a layman, if you think about IT, the first thought comes into your mind is software. Okay, application. And is it like only software? What do we do? Yes, the ultimate product of IT is a software application. But only if I ask you who creates that software, you may without even a 1 minute of delay, 1 second of delay, you will say, sir, programmers, software engineers, they do develop the softwares. That's right. So I do ask one question to you. IT means only software and software means only software engineers? No, that's incorrect. Yes, there are software engineers and in the software industry. But in that, no other works. There are no other works apart from software engineering or program. There are a lot of works to create one software, to create one app, to create one application. We need variety of experts and the team of those experts. So let's talk about what are those varieties. Actually, those varieties experts, they work in their own domains. They have their own teams, their own domains, and they are the part of a very big organization, and they are working on a particular product app. So if you will go to any IT company, you will mostly find there are some departments, teams called software development teams. There is a team called networking team. A software development team we know that they do write the code, programs, and create applications. But networking team, for example, if you want to communicate, if you want to watch YouTube videos on your laptop, how will you watch them? You have to first connect to the network, internet. Okay, how part. So that part will be taken care of this networking people. Cloud, not exactly that upper cloud, but the cloud is a new, actually you can say it's a platform where you can build your infrastructure. What is mean by infrastructure? See, if you want to, for example, start a Kirana store, then you have to have a one what like Kirana store room you need. First of all, you need a proper, you can say, warehouse and all. That is nothing but a infrastructure. You have to invest in the infrastructure. So for IT also, they need infrastructure. They need a place. They need computers, machines, servers. So many things they need, and lots of things you can't. Actually, you can buy them or you can rent them. Same like Ola and Uber. If you don't have a car, what do? You go to Ola, Uber and take rental some car or auto, or you can say any vehicle. So same thing when the company, any IT company have no enough resources or they don't want to invest into the building infrastructure for them, they go with a rental. They will take rental infrastructure, and that rental infrastructure you will get upon cloud. Next one, DevOps. DevOps is nothing but a way of creating. It's a method of creating any application. It is the fastest method of creating any application. There is a lot of automation automatically without much human intervention. You can create an application. Okay. So next one is about, yeah, I actually, sorry, I have typed it twice. Okay, cybersecurity. You can talk about something else. For example, testing is also one of the department. Okay, so testing, when you build something, when you create any application, directly it will not be served to the what. There is a complete testing department is there, and they are testing cybersecurity. Any cyber related crimes are happening on digital, someone's like someone is getting cheated by people, they are taking their what banking data and stealing their money. So that kind of task preventions, okay, everything will be carried by cybersecurity department. So there are different departments and different experts who are working in the IT. So like that, there is a one department in our IT right now that is called data science department. And that data science department, what are their roles, responsibilities, that we will understand. Okay. So before going to start with the data science, okay, I would like to give you a small data science. Okay. It's a very simple, okay, there is a critical one also, but I don't want to take you into the critical definition of data science. It's very simple. Data science is a part of computer science, okay? And in that, what do we do? It is a sub branch of yours. You can say it's a computer science. And in that department, in data science, we study data. What do? We study data. Now you might be having different questions. Why are we studying data? Actually, what is data? What kind of data you are referring for? So a lot of questions, and in coming few minutes, we are going to understand what actually is data science. Okay.